Okay, so shit I'm dealing with here. Oh, it's probably not even gonna do anything at all, I'm pretty sure. Oh, see, it just shut off. Didn't even do anything. Door, let's cut the door. Ah, it's almost like nothing. It's like no. The battery's good. There's the radio, that's on. Radio's on, but there's no volume. This thing's all fucked up. Look at that. At least the gauges moved a little bit. Oh my goodness, that damn wind. Holy cow. Let's put it in neutral. Nothing. Not even a hello. God, it's not responding to jack. It's almost like something is missing. Something is not connected. It's all connected. What the hell, man? Let's try the battery. Let's see. Put it to 12 volt. That on there. And that on there. And we're good there. There's something somewhere that's not connected. I wonder if that has anything to do with it. That corrosion or whatever it is. God. Tested the fuses.